family number 8. It's called Bab Iftial. Let's see, inshallah, that what is the uniqueness of this family and how you clearly can identify this family. So, in its container, it has additional Hamza, alif with kasra, okay, in the start, and fa kalima has sukoon and additional ta after the fa kalima. Inshallah, we'll see this whole thing in a minute. The starting haraka of mudare will be fatha. And this family is always lazim, usually lazim, but not always. Okay, now we all know the difference of lazim and mutaaddi. So it can sometime it can imply as something is done with in a hyperbolic form, in exaggeration. For example, the word samaya simply means to listen or to hear. Okay, but istamaya, look at the difference. Samea is from the 3 root letter family, Sulasi Mujarrad family. But when you use this container with the seen, meme, and ain, it will become istama'a. What did you do? You added hamza with kasra in the start, and the first kalima has sukoon, and after the first kalima, extra ta. So istama'a means to listen carefully. To listen carefully. Now, this is the template for this family. And in this template, when we put the word qaf, ra, and ba, it becomes ik taraba, ik taraba. You see, hamza, first one has sukoon and then extra ta. So ik taraba, yak taribu, ik tiraban, fahuwa muktaribun, ukturiba, yuk tarabu, iktiraban, fahuwa muktarabun. Muktaribun fa'il, muktarabun maf'ul. Iktarib amr, la taqtarib nahi. Muktarabun is zarf, time and place. Then all of these root letters are given and you can try them. And from this root, the most frequent word, not obviously because this book covers 85% of the words. Okay, so remember this point always. So most common words in the Quran from this particular family are given here. Okay, ikhtalafa, this is same. Istama'a, ittaba'a, ittaba'a. Okay, now meanings are given and their frequency is given as well, and they are occurring in the Quran 210 times. And it's continue here as well. Okay. Next one is Bab if elal. If elal. In its container, what is the unique feature? First point is same. Okay, alif with kasra. Second point is same as well. But third point is it has shadda on the lam kalima. Inshallah, we'll see that. And then words from this family are always lazim. Let's see here. Because it is lazim, so there's no passive line here. Yeah. So ha, mim, and ra. Ihmarra. You see this shadda? So hamza with the sukoon, first letter, hamza with the kasra, first letter has sukoon and last letter has dhamma. That is the last letter has tashdid. This is the unique feature of this family. Ihmarra, yahmarru, and then words from this family are not given because this family is not very common in the Quran, but still we need to know that this is also one of the families in which you have this unique container. So there's no vocabulary for this family. It does not mean, by the way, that there's no word in the Quran from this family, but it means that it's maybe very rare. Inshallah, I'll still look at if there's some word in the Quran, but in that book, they have not given any vocabulary from this family. Inshallah, we move on from here in our next class. I always say this, that please, this is the whole purpose of the recording. That after this, do not forget to watch them one more time so you can see if something is not clear. You can ask me, inshallah, in the message, or you can ask me in next class as well. If you have something to say before I go to the next point.